Welcome to NexGEN Composites. In this video, we will show you how to build your own deck using the NexGEN DeckCell range. Make sure you have all the equipment you will need before you make a start. On your screen, you will see two lists of equipment. The left-hand side is all the products you will need to purchase directly through NexGEN. On the right is the additional tools that you will need. Alternatively, if you provide us with your measurements and plans, we can provide the complete list of products from the right-hand side list, customised to your job. Part 2. Laying the DeckCell. Let's get started. Starting from one side, begin to lay the DeckCell. Start on the edge furthest away from the house, so that any pieces that need to be cut will abut the building. Lock the pieces into place using the male and female connectors. Use the rubber mallet to ensure solid and level connection. Once you have laid a completed mat, measure out and make any necessary trimmings. Ensure you have placed your DeckCell down in such a way to minimise unnecessary cuts. Part 3. Trimming the DeckCell. If you do need to trim your DeckCell, follow these instructions. Measure and mark the sections that need to be trimmed. This is ideal for decking around existing structures such as pillars or downpipes. Using a circular saw, jigsaw or shears, trim the areas that have been marked. Be sure to keep your offcuts as they may come in handy for smaller areas. Once the cuttings have been made, the DeckCell will lock into the teeth just like the rest of the pieces. Part 4. Locking in the DeckCell. Locking the foundation will ensure a stable and long-lasting deck. Feed one length of polyjoist through the DeckCell at either 500 or 600mm spacings. Each piece of DeckCell should have a section of polyjoist available to screw into. Cut off any excess polyjoists using the circular saw. Polyjoists can be butted against each other if the deck is deeper than the polyjoist's length of 3 metres. Part 5. Laying the decking. Now the foundation is complete, it's time to secure the boards. Face fix the first board in place by setting the board flush with the edge of the DeckCell. You will only need to face fix the first and last boards. All other boards will easily install with hidden fixings. Secure the started board into place by screwing it into the polyjoist below. Using a 6.5mm drill bit, drill down 10mm first for the frill head and the plug. Using a 4mm drill bit in the same hole, drill down through the board and into the polyjoist. Drive the screw into the hole and plug in a NexGEN Pro plug. Now lay out all the boards and insert the hidden fixings into the grooves on the sides of each board. Position the hidden fixings above the polyjoists. Push the boards in nice and tight before screwing the fixings down. Trim off any excess boards. Prepare your fascia boards, including cutting them to size. You will need to use a square edge board, not a grooved board. Place and secure your fascia boards to cap and cover any outside edgings as required. Using a 6.5mm drill bit, drill a hole 10mm deep into the vertical fascia or square edge board. Use a 4mm drill bit through the same hole directly into the groove of the horizontal board, 12mm from the top edge. Drill the screw in up to the line on the bit and fill the hole with a Pro plug. Do the same for all the edges. This is what your finished decking should look like. Now you can enjoy your new deck. Each range comes with its own individual warranty period and colour selection. To find out more, visit nexgendecking.com.au.